We are pleased to show you the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires, front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.